Well, Kirk's got me out in this bitch on a Saturday, interrupting my day of sitting on the sofa and playing the new Goat Simulator with the kids, which is hilarious if anybody's ever done it, played that game. So, kind of give a quick idea what's going on. There's like a huge drainage issue back here, so every time it rains, it floods down, because look at this, is all kind of going downhill. And what was done is we didn't originally, we didn't want to bust up the sidewalk. Now we have to. We took a drill and drilled in the basement, and then used a piece of conduit and a garden hose, and we pushed underneath. And you see there's our conduit on the other side. And it runs up and over and into the building over there somewhere. So what we are going to be doing today is digging this up, cutting the conduit. Well, step one, we're going to be pulling the fiber back out of the basement of this building. We're going to cut the splice, which is going to disconnect that building, and all the apartments upstairs. Then we're going to reroute it.
Can I help you, sir?
What's up, man?
What the fuck are you doing?
Hey.
No, don't take a picture of me. I don't want it.
Your internet's gonna go out today for about half hour, 45 minutes.
Why? Oh.
Yeah, buddy. So I did this almost 3 years ago, I guess. And you know what's funny as hell is I've mounted this on the wall, right? Got my switch, got my optic, just more humming away. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it at all. But funny thing, the guys that put this back on the wall, it's not attached to the wall, right? And they cut it. So this dude chose to cut that instead of just moving it over. Like, it's flexible. I don't understand why they had to cut that. I was here first. But this is where our little splash is gonna be. This is a box that we did way back in the day. But this is gonna be pretty straightforward. Single splice. We're gonna be disconnecting some folks today. Yeah, buddy. So, fortunately, it is a metal, not PVC, so we had to get some different fittings. This is going to convert it for us, but Kirk's went to go get us a Sawzall. Sawzall blades over across the street. And, you know, you get me out here on a Saturday digging, and, oh, the beers can't leave the fence. So we're going to be leaving them on that side of the fence. And you know what? I even got one for Kirk. All right. Well, you never want to be the one to do this, I guess. But we got our fiber here, and we're going to be doing this. There's bye-bye 20 customers. Link is down. And I don't think it's 20. It's something. It's a good chunk of customers, though. And we're going to just run this out. I got plenty of slack here. Not really going to be a big deal for the most part here. All Alrighty. Let's see if I can pull that through. Works pretty good. This is the first time I've ever spliced wearing just socks. But we're too muddy and I don't feel like nonsense. So what we'll do is, I remember these little trays. I don't know why we stopped buying them. I kind of like it. It's like a little mini tray. So what we'll do is we'll pull this right on out. This is a strange 6-fiber cable too. Yeah. This is a 6-strand weird cable. There we go. Gosh, that was not easy. So because this doesn't fit in, it's too tiny, I'm just gonna build up the cable some. Right like so. A little bit more.
So, the reason Brett couldn't come is because he and Brooklyn are going to like 2 different parties today.
What?
And, yeah.
Okay.
And
He made, in his text message, he made it seem like they were up all night, or
no, they got 2
I got
parties.
2 problems.
Not 1, but 2.
That's funny.
So, my mom's in town to watch the kids.
Oh, and they don't even have the kids.
And they don't have to bring the kids, yeah.
Oh.
So, they didn't invite us, which is why they didn't ask us to watch the kids. But, so that was my mom calling.
Did somebody just come in the door?
I don't think so.
Okay, I thought I heard it.
But that was my mom calling to be like, what do you want to do for lunch? Where are you? It's like, well, we're basically at Brody Joe's patio. She's like, all right, we're going to come there. So, and she's watching their kids. So Brett's not here, but both of his daughters are on the way.
That is ridiculous.
Representing on his behalf.
That's funny. Alright. It was like perfect length.
Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna get those. Those like Beyond tacos again. Those things are so good.
Nice.
Going right back to the sofa.
Mm-hmm.
And
in preparation for tomorrow.
Right. Yeah, I was like, I want to get in all the ass sitting possible. I basically just go, I'm going to start a fire, and I'm going to keep that fire going until we leave.
Nice. It's a good, like, you know what, I don't really have a job. I'm going to keeping the fire going. You know,
Right, I just need enough of a task that I can still sit.
Yeah, guys, I can't help right now. Someone's got to keep this fire going.
I hope it's just not windy. That's the only time it makes it miserable. It's like it's so windy, like your ears hurt.
But if it's not windy enough, those flies are like...
No, we're on the beach side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the beach side's pretty legit with the fly situation. But then, like, there's the ponies come and get you.
Watch out for those damn ponies.
It pretty much happens every time, too. Oh, yeah, Bubba.
Are you live?
Not yet. I gotta put these two together right quick. I forget why we stopped using these trays. They're cool. Might get some more of these. Nice.
I mean, but they're like 1 fiber in, 1 fiber out kind of thing?
You can only do 4 in here.
Mm. Seth said you were thinking about getting a new device for WBOC?
I was thinking about it, but I ended up changing my mind just because it's... well, I think what I'm going to do is just use the patch. They're going to probably just get a patch panel.
Yeah.
Just like we have, where it's, and then I'll terminate all 12. Mm-hmm. That way they do end up adding towers and stuff. I don't have to do too much work.
Yeah. And you could leave one with like a head on it for testing or something. Like
yeah,
that
right.
Doesn't really make sense.
Like, no, I could leave, I could just splice all 12, and then that way, like, I don't have to go back and disconnect them. Mm-hmm. Sort of like the WMDT. That one was sketchy. I stood up on a ladder.
You taped your phone to the ceiling.
Yeah. It works out pretty good.
That's fine. Like for light or for what?
No, it's going to videotape this whole thing.
Okay, yeah. That's what I was thinking after I said that. I was like, huh.
That way
Am I going to be YouTube famous now?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, wow.
You actually, you remember the time you pushed the roll?
Yeah.
Dude, that was the
I saw that video.
Oh, God. And then you stopped at the stop sign. It made my day. It really did. Oh, man.
And now we're going to drive this fire truck off a cliff.
All right. Please have them in here. I only have 1 pack left. We bought 1,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
I think we've done freaking 900 or whatever. This little spot has been working out great. I mean, it's not ideal, but
I mean, it works, it works. And so we ran Cat 6 to the neighboring building? Is that what we did?
yeah. So
Yeah.
the access points that are in Craig's building, that's the power bricks for them.
Interesting.
And then they just got regular switch ports. And then the dude right above us, or no, these people, they're coming off that switch too. So it's like, we didn't run fiber to the next building.
I guess I'm gonna clean up a bit, and I'm like I said, I'm thinking I'll just wait till you're.
Yeah, I'm like
wait a few minutes.
5 minutes or something.
We can kind of confirm the whole liquid.
Oh, that's a used one. You're messing with my goat simulator.
Would you like one of these? You can color them in.
No.
Yeah? That'll be $100.
Oh, probably. And do you have insurance? No,
Yeah.
it's gonna be $250.
Yeah.
These.
You try not to win the shit lottery, is what you're trying to do.
Oh.
But what did they do? Did they take a little needle to get it out?
Like
not a needle, but a tiny scalpel?
Yeah, it was like a little plastic thingy.
Yeah, because that's what they did for me. They took a tiny, tiny scalpel and they plucked at my eyeball to get it out.
So check this. So like, it's not even spliced together. And the second I close it, the light is going to come on. They don't even need to be spliced because we have so much power.
Wow.
Most likely it'll come on. See, it just came on. And they're not even together.
Wow.
So that's like how much power we actually have. You know what I mean? And everybody's chilling now. So that was like a mechanical connector. So you could like almost put it in the tube and just line them up really good. As long as you cleave it.
And just duct tape it on both sides.
Oh, Craig's kids are back online.
Yeah, I actually forgot to schedule this. So,
what's that mean?
Like, Greg was standing there. Oh, not even 10. Just like 1 or 2 other tenants next door who probably don't know or care.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's working.
And I didn't even tell these people we were coming.
Oh, the people we're in?
Yeah.
I'm sure they're happy though, because
Yeah,
their shit's been flooding. Cool. All right, let's go do some concrete. Just chill there for a second.
Single fiber. We do everything. Finish that fuchsia splice. Pour some concrete. Drink some beer.
Drink some beers. Oh, man. Well, it's definitely the first time I've ever done that in socks.
But not the first time in slippers.
No, yeah, I did all my street in Crocs. It was something about the fact that I could see my house. I was like,
Yeah.
I think I'm okay.
What are you doing? I live right there. Get off my back.
Yeah, it's a 10, the optic is 10 kilometers. And there's no attenuation on it. So, yeah. Well, I'm using 3U.
3U.
If you count the batteries, I have 2 batteries sitting on the floor too.
5U.
Yeah. I got the cheap batteries because it's stupid, because if you get a 15 kW battery that's rack mount, it costs almost double as one that just can sit on the damn floor.
Yeah.
Like, and I was like, that was when they did their generator. So it was just gonna like not even be a permanent thing, but now it's just a permanent thing.
Yeah.
What did you? Oh, cool. Dude, that like.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That came out to be like as tight as it could possibly be. Cool.
The distance you eyeballed 18 months ago was literally perfect.
Cool. Yeah, maybe. Just put it right on that screw. Okay, well, I feel like my feet are nice and drywall dusty.
Yeah.
This is just a regular, it's just regular trash, right?
Yeah. Well, actually, I told Gary, I was like,
Just make it.
I don't know what happened that day. I was like, go in there, and I was like, I don't have a solution for you. I don't have a plan. Go in there and jerry rig something to direct the water into the trash can.
And he just made like a little trough. It looked cool.
Yeah, you know, I didn't say make it look pretty. I'm just gonna take all the remainder of that mix, and dump it in the bucket of water. It looked like